Hey, Joe here. Time to do more disassembly on Pro Street Eclipse. Got a good friend of mine, Ryan Chartier's here to help me out. What's up, Ryan?
How you doing?
Pretty good. He's gonna tear a little bit of the outside and the interior of this car apart for me. I think he's just a glutton for punishment, or maybe he just likes me. So, let's get started.
Put cheese on it.
Hey, Joe here. My buddy Ryan did a lot of work here on the car. Now it's my turn to take over for a little while.
Put cheese on it.
I'm pretty sure I vacuumed an entire beach out of here. Yep.
Alright, it's amazing how much sand this car here held. It held like 5,000 pounds of sand and 50 pounds of parts.
Put cheese on it. Put cheese on it. Put cheese on it. Cheese on it.
So we got done taking care of pulling out dashboard, all kinds of wiring harnesses on the car. We found a cockroach in there, a live one. I mean, there were lots of dead bugs, but the cockroach, he was running from us, he was swearing at us, all that stuff. Yeah, lots of fun today. Lots of friends.
Cheese on it.
We did a number on this car today. Can't wait to get it up off the ground on some jack stands, finish the bottom of this thing, get it ready to get it blasted. See you next time.
Put cheese on it.